Local steel workers feel like salt is being rubbed in their wounds after a judge approves RG Steel's retention plan.
Typical of what big business can get away with. They can go ahead and not give to the labor force and the workforce, yet they can turn around and give themselves. Ask for bonuses, get them approved. Ask for more money, get it approved. You know, we have people that we've asked money for. We had a negotiated benefit, and obviously it didn't come through for us.
A Delaware bankruptcy judge approved RG Steel's request to pay over $700,000 under a retention program to keep about 20 key employees on the job until the end of the year, as the company continues to liquidate its assets. The United Steelworkers Union and RG Steel negotiated a modified labor agreement that would give members benefits until the end of August. According to Gambeline, once claims started coming in for medical benefits, there was no money to be paid. Steelworkers come in every day to Gambeline's office with bills that they're unable to pay under the impression that they had insurance.
With what our employees, I just can't fathom the thought of when you tell somebody they have insurance and when the bills come, you don't have money for them, yet you turn around and you ask for money for these situations. It's just another example of poor business on RG's part.
Reporting in Steubenville for 7 News, I'm Sarah Yingling.